Okay. Can you tell me what letter is this?
C.
Very good. What letter is this?
Z.
Very good. What letter is this?
X.
Very good. How about this one?
V.
Very good. How about this one?
B.
Very good. This one?
F.
Very good. How about this one?
T.
Yeah. How about this one?
D.
Yeah. How about this one?
W.
Very good. How about this one?
M.
Very good. How about this one?
N.
Yes. How about this one?
R.
Very good. And this one?
E.
Yes. How about this one?
Q.
Q. Very good. How about this one?
J.
J. Yes. How about this one?
Y.
Y. Yeah. How about this one?
U.
U. How about this one?
H.
Very good. How about this one?
O.
Kind of looks like a lowercase L, but I think it's an I. Yeah.
I.
How about this?
P.
P. Very good. How about this one?
X.
Very good. How about this one?
G.
Very good. What about this one?
K.
Very good. Let's see. What about this one? What is it? What letter is this? A. Very good. That's right. What's this one? Here's that one.
O.
L. Very good. And this one.
O.
Very good.